Welcome to our channel. As we explore the wonders of nature, we recognize our deep connection to it. Here are 5 enlightening Bible verses that invite us to learn valuable lessons from the beauty and wisdom found in the natural world. Psalm 19 verse 1. The heavens declare the glory of God, the skies proclaim the work of his hands. Matthew 6 verse 26. Look at the birds of the air, they do not sow or reap or store away in barns, and yet your heavenly Father feeds them. Are you not much more valuable than they? Psalm 104 verse 24. How many are your works, Lord? In wisdom you made them all, the earth is full of your creatures. Proverbs 30 verse 25. Ants are creatures of little strength, yet they store up their food in the summer. Matthew 6 verses 28 to 29. And why do you worry about clothes? See how the flowers of the field grow. They do not labor or spin. Yet I tell you that not even Solomon in all his splendor was dressed like one of these. These verses highlight the significance of various elements of nature and offer lessons we can learn from them. They encourage us to observe and reflect on the beauty, provision, and wisdom found in flowers, animals, mountains, and insects. They remind us of God's care for all of his creation and the lessons we can draw from the natural world around us.